It's the idea that I can actually matter. Right now as a youth especially, I can't technically vote and stuff, and so it feels sometimes like what I believe in doesn't actually matter. With protests, anyone can be involved from all ages, all backgrounds and everything. We can actually express what we believe in and hopefully get the goal that we want.
That's why we're picketing. So we've got these signs. People can see what we're doing out here, and it elicits sympathy from passers-by, and it is a peaceful way of, I guess, protesting.
My other part of the sign, this was from Barack Obama's campaigns early on, Fired Up, Ready to Go. He tells a story of a woman who, in a small room in one of the southern states, was saying, fired up, ready to go, fired up, ready to go. And then the Barack Obama campaign used that throughout their campaign when things looked dim. And what he found out, what he ended up saying is, one voice can change a room, one room can change a city, one city can change a state, one state can change a nation, and one nation can change a world.
When a crisis rocks the system, you can see them come to patch up the holes now. And they're always pushing policies that work out right for ruling class goals now. And if panic comes to Wall Street, you can hear them stress the need for controls now. But they'll be gone, gone, gone when the people take their power away. We're working out of Washington, they're drawing up a federal plan now. Then it's off to Santa Monica to spend some time consulting for Rand now, where they tried to dream up ways to hide the rising cost of bombing Vietnam now. But they'll be gone, gone, gone when the people take their power away. They can't see the oppression cause they spend their time just shooting the bull now. They give a speech on hunger, but they do it while their bellies are full now. And they say it's getting better, but it looks like they're just pulling the wool.
I feel that public outreach is all about planting seeds. It's not about making change right here and now. I think that change takes time. I started, my trek as an activist a little over 3 years ago. In the years before that, I was the guy making fun of activists, making fun of people who are trying to make a difference, and I was contributing to, some of those horrible things that are going on today. And I think through all the different mediums that I've tried, I feel that protesting is able to plant the most seeds. The most amount of people, see me standing in line. I have people asking questions. I think that it is most reasonable. It reaches the most people.
They're early. They may be early in the process, but there's something that they're on the right side of change that eventually needs to be made, and so that's going to start to stick with people, even if it kind of puts you, if it's a little bit off-putting at first, just like the gay rights movement, it's a little bit off-putting at first, but when people have a recognition for unfairness, so they see that it's unfair, and so then they'll eventually kind of come around, and those things that those early civil rights leaders were saying early on it makes a difference when they first hear it, but it'll also when we look back in history, then we see that they were on the right side of history.
Representative of the government, we're part of the executive branch when you look at your three branches of the government. So for law enforcement, it's important for us, we don't get involved in the actual political aspects of anyone's protest. We ride a neutral fence. We're not for or against any organization or group when we're in this uniform. Our goal is to make sure, no matter what type of protest it is, especially when it is the peaceful protest, that those people's voices are heard, that their rights are afforded to them under the Constitution, under the First Amendment, So we make sure that no one violates those rights. No other group comes in and tries to take their message away or get that peaceful demonstration to turn violent or anything, because once that happens, the message is lost.
If they reach someone else, I mean, that's the way, I mean, now Ringlings has banned elephants from circuses. It's not because they did it for, you know, for their good hearts.
Social climate change
Yeah.
from doing things like this. I hope this is as important for you guys as it is for me.
Take their power away. They'll be gone when the workers take their power away.
The majority of the time.
And it's a matter of commitment. So you
Exactly.
do what you believe in, you fight for what you believe in, and it seems to me that that's the American way. If we're going to make American great again, that's how we're going to do it.